Hi everyone, I'm Melissa. I'm a first-time homeschooling mom this year. Reading is the one subject I still don't have the perfect curriculum for. I'm hoping that changes today. Today I'm going to be opening our new reading curriculum from Pride Reading Program. Here's our package. We just got in the mail. We ordered last Tuesday and it's a Monday today. We saw it in the mailbox and my kids knew it was for them, so I had to stop them from opening it because I wanted to show you guys first. All right, let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, make sure I don't ruin anything inside. This is why I do it, not my kids. All right, here is our Pride Reading Program book. You'll see that I got beginning consonants. When I went online to order, I took a short quiz. Maybe it took 2 minutes to identify where my son is already at and where we should start in the program. So the program determined that beginning consonants is where we should start. So I like that it's spiral bound, and I can tell that the front of it is going to be durable. We do a lot of dry erase markers. We also have a lot of spills in our home. So having this where if it can get wet and just wipe down looks great. I love spiral binding. If something doesn't come spiral bound, I go to Staples and I get it spiral bound. It's pretty thin. This book has about 80, looks like 82, 83 pages, but it's perfect for on the go. It doesn't overwhelm my son. When we open up a new curriculum or a workbook and they see the whole year, it's very overwhelming. To me too. So I like having things that are just a little bit on the smaller side so we don't feel overwhelmed. It has some cool colors. And looks like it has lots of animals, which my son will like. Oh, there we are, jumping. So we will get started on this here in the coming days. We're gonna start slowly, just so we get used to it and I know what I'm doing. Now here's the other part, and this I believe no matter what set you get, you're all gonna get the sound cards. So this will help with all of the different sounds and word blends. I like that these two are gonna be very portable. We move our homeschooling around our house, so I carry all of our stuff in bins and baskets. So if there's a lot of materials, it tends to not get used. Anything that I can bring into my son's room and we can just do really quickly, those are the things that we're actually successful doing. After I ordered from Pride Reading Program, I got access to online videos that showed me how to deliver the curriculum. The videos showed me exactly how to model for my student, and they had student models. When we get started, I'll probably have my son watch some of the videos with me so he can see how the other students are doing the actions and doing the sounds and doing the activities. I have lifetime access to the videos, so if I'm ever stuck, I can start there. But I also know that customer service is available should I have questions about how to deliver the curriculum, maybe what to do next steps, or maybe if we get stuck. Customer service has been great. So we are going to get started with this in the coming days, and I will let you know how we do and what is working for us. I hope that this will be successful for us. I hope it will be successful for you if you give it a try.